好快樂。
新地好快樂嚟到品味生活圈嘅環節啦，小馬麥才華咧每個星期咧都會為你請嚟咧一個品牌同埋幾位嘉賓咧，同大家講下點樣可以喺生活裏邊咧加添趣味同埋品味。要加添趣味同埋品味咧，我成日覺得咧都係要學習下一啲唔同地方嘅文化。埃及嘅文化咧，俾我哋嘅感覺咧，除咗源遠流長之外咧，其實佢哋嘅舞蹈咧都非常適合咧大家去鑽研噶。不過要鑽研一個舞蹈咧，相信啊都要有一啲種子同埋藥引。喺埃及舞蹈節入邊咧，應該就係一個好好嘅開始咧，去認識呢一種舞蹈。不過其實咧喺香港咧有一個活動叫做香港國際埃及舞蹈節咧，嚟到今年咧已經係第8屆，而且今年咧好特別嘅一個地方咧，就會配合咧係故宮嘅舞台咧一齊去展現埃及嘅文化。究竟呢一個我哋叫中西方嘅交融，由商貿開始到今時今日嘅文化交流係點樣嘅呢？又可以點樣參加？又有啲咩睇呢？請嚟呢，佢哋今次嘅負責人啊，係 Dance Nefertiti 嘅張潔婷小姐阿 May 嘅 May 你好，
你好啊 Fred。
今日身邊呢，另外呢嚟咗呢一位重量級嘅嘉賓啊，佢呢就係嚟自呢埃及國家舞蹈團嘅前總監啊 Osama，Mr. Osama 你好啊 ，Hello。咁 Mr. Osama 呢就會用英文同我哋對答，咁陣間呢，我同阿 May 呢都會同大家用翻廣東話呢講翻相關嘅內容。不過呢，我都問阿 May 先，做咗8年呢一個香港國際埃及舞蹈節，嚟到呢一年呢，登上咗另外一個更大嘅舞台啦。今年我哋可以即係睇到啲咩嘢多過以前嘅嘢，同埋對你嚟講，你又準備咗啲咩呈現俾大家睇呢？嚇？
好啊，咁咧我諗觀眾都唔陌生啦。咁我哋嚟1、2年啦喺嘅節目度，咁亦都介紹過呢個舞蹈節，今年第8屆。咁我哋有幸咧就會喺香港故宮博物館嗰度主辦，咁就係1連4日。咁除咗平時我哋有以往咧，我哋會有國際嘅比賽啦、舞蹈節嘅比賽啦、工作坊啦，咁有唔同嘅大師啦。咁 Mr. Osama 其中一位老師會教授舞蹈啦、埃及民族舞，咁亦都有演出，有唔同嘅演出。咁今年我哋更加多咗咧，就係有一個演出咧，係我哋叫 World Dance 世界文化交流嘅舞蹈。咁除咗埃及嘅民族舞之外咧，就係其他國家嘅民族舞。咁就更加行前一步咧，就係關於經過舞蹈去交流啦。係。咁仲有一個特別嘅節目咧，就係關於嗰個市集啦。咁Alfred 知啦，
係呢個市集就亦都係用一個文化交流為主題啦，即係將我哋東方嘅文化同埋咧就係埃及嘅文化咧融為一體。希望大家咧可以行街之餘都可以有一個咧即係有文化交流嘅行街都幾趣味喎。仲
要咧你可以嚟故宮博物館嗰度睇埃及古文物展啊。其實係因為有呢個展覽先至會有我哋呢個節目喺嗰度。咁你哋嚟完啦故宮博物館睇完嗰啲埃及古文物嘅時候，亦都可以落嚟我市集度睇下嘅。咁啊睇下我哋有乜嘢可以有興趣嘅，你哋嚇關於文物嘅交流啦。咁中西方咁同埋你都提過啦，中國同埋埃及嘅交流應該時間都唔短啦，
源遠流長㗎啦。
古文國家古文物即係除咗交流之外咧，仲有 trading 啦，貿易啦，咁亦都希望咧經過舞蹈更加交流多啲，可以交俾 Mr.
係啦，講到舞蹈咧，我相信咧當晚即係喺23號嘅晚上咧，就會有一個大匯演啦。呢一個大匯演每一年咧都係重頭戲嚟嘅。咁啊，今年搬上咗故宮嘅舞台，更加咧應該會非常精彩。不過未講當晚有啲咩睇之前咧，反而好多朋友就會問啦：咩叫埃及舞咧？如果你之前錯過我哋嘅介紹嘅話咧，唔緊要啊，今日有個非常正宗嘅介紹話俾大家聽啊。Mr. Osama, just would like to know what is Egyptian dance from your own experience. Can you tell our audience and our fans on Facebook?
For me, the dance it's life. Because when you dance, you do something inside yourself. Nobody know it. It's a feeling, and if you are happy, you have happy or not happy. Dance, not only just for Egypt. I think the dance for all the world. It is very important. Our culture. If you want to know, any country, you must watch and you must see how the life, the dance, it's translate the life. That's it.
嗱咁咧，阿 Mr. Osama 就話咧，其實咧跳舞啊本身咧就係一個生命嚟嘅。除咗埃及舞之外，其實唔同地方嘅舞蹈咧本身咧都係呈現住咧嗰度嘅文化啦，同埋嗰度嘅宗旨。但係埃及舞咧，因為有源遠流長嘅歷史咧去承載住啊，所以你會見到咧出嚟嘅效果啦，同埋咧當中嗰個故事咧係特別令到大家咧感動。我問翻阿 May 先啊，你作為香港人去學埃及舞嘅時候，你個感覺又係點樣嘅咧嚇？
好啊，咁咧咁多年裏邊咧已經過咗好快時間，20年。咁我細個時候學中國民族舞，咁我本身好中意舞蹈，咁我諗大部分人都會即係唔會反對噶啦。舞蹈係身體語言啦，亦都係一個好好嘅交流嘅經驗啦、體驗啦，咁但係埃及舞咧嘅特別咧，我覺得佢好喺同其他民族嗰個民族色彩一定係唔同啦。咁呢個對我嚟講係新嘅，咁我好想去知道。咁經過舞蹈去認識埃及文化咧，我覺得快好多咯。咁然後佢個民情民族性咧又好開心啊！呢個我好想分享俾香港人。咁經過呢啲學習嘅當中咧，我更加認識到當地嘅人啦嘅傳統習俗啦，佢嘅歷史啦。咁我覺得呢同我哋中國嘅好多嘅core value 差唔多。同埋一個好值得我哋去敬仰同埋好值得我哋推廣嘅文化民族。
嗱，講到咧要推廣呢一個文化同埋民族咧，我知道整個咧就係香港國際埃及舞蹈節咧，唔係淨係講緊舞台活動咁簡單，有好多唔同嘅活動配合，其中咧有深度舞嘅計劃啊，甚至乎好多唔同嘅工作坊，可唔可以同我哋介紹一下咧？
好啊，咁我哋有比賽啦，咁希望比賽咧係帶出唔同舞蹈者嘅機會，佢哋喺唔同嘅平台上邊咧演繹自己對呢一個舞蹈嘅愛好啦，同埋對呢個舞蹈嘅貢獻啊、熱情啊。咁另外咧就係工作坊啦。咁我哋帶嚟Osama老師啦，仲有幾位其實國家級嘅老師咧都會教授佢哋正統嘅埃及民族舞啦。咁好多人都知道肚皮舞，但係其實肚皮舞只不過係一個其中一個小環節，係好好睇啊，好多人都中意啦嚇。但係如果你想知道佢嘅源頭係點樣嘅咧，咁就可以嚟參加我哋工作坊。另外呢個市集啦，咁頭先我哋提到嘅市集啦，咁難得啦，故宮博物館能夠俾到嘅地方，我哋咧裏邊可以擺幾個有個地方可以俾我哋擺唔同嘅文化嘅產品咁可能我哋會有個書本嘅介紹啦，藝術作品嘅介紹啦，咁都希望經過唔同嘅渠道，令到呢一個埃及文化展現喺香港嘅民眾。
頭先咧講過啦，咁今次成個活動入邊咧都有一啲工作坊。工作坊我知道咧，Mr. Osama 咧都負責唔少啦。不過喺短短嘅時間，點樣可以咧咁快速成上手？嗱，冇嘢可以快得咁緊要，但係點都好咧，你都會攞翻少少嘢走。我又真係問下 Mr. Osama 先啦。I know you learn Egyptian dance since young, but for this festival, you will teach Hong Kong people how to dance Egyptian dance. So, how they should prepare themselves for learning Egyptian dance? Should they have some experience in other countries dancing, or they can just start from scratch?
Anything for the world, you must learn step by step. First, you must translate what we do it first, and after that, we start for the steps. And not only just in Hong Kong, I teach for all the world, not only just for Hong Kong. And once the girls or anyone want to learn, start straight away, love it. And after that will be keep to learn more and more and more and more and more. It is big. Everything, if you learn you learn something, you need more and more and more and more. But here in Hong Kong, because May, she love it. She love it and she understand. It's important to understand, not only just to like something and you want to make copies like that. No, it's important to understand what you do it.
So first you love it, and then you need to understand it.
Yes. She start for a long time, and she learned for me, and she learned for the other, not only just for me. And it is important to also to choose what you want. You have many teachers, but for the end you choose something it is near for you. She do it that, and after she learned, she started to be also teachers, because now she have experience. She know. Now she's much better, much better. She started to have a student to because she loved also to watch to Hong Kong. People know it about Egypt, about what she know, about what she feeling, about that she enjoy for that, and she love, because that she want to bring the Egyptian culture to Hong Kong。
嗱，頭先咧阿 Mr. Osama 咧就講到咧，即係如果要學習咧埃及舞咧，反而唔係話要有啲乜嘢嘅技術底，係你要先愛上呢一樣嘢。嗱，要愛上呢樣嘢咧，其實可以早啲咧，即係上網可以知道咩叫埃及舞之餘咧，揾阿 May 咧，你都可以知道啦。但係你愛上咗之後咧，你就要自己識得選擇啦，睇下究竟有咁多唔同嘅埃及舞種，有咁多唔同嘅埃及導師，你想揀乜嘢舞種，乜嘢導師，你要好清楚自己。跟住咧，你就要全程投入咧，要去 enjoy 啦，即係你要去享受整個跳舞嘅過程。嗱，我相信咧，正如一開始嘅時候咧，其實 Mr. Osama 都有講啦，跳舞咧就係生命。所以如果你唔享受嘅時候咧，可能出嚟你根本就展現唔到咧你心入邊咧嗰一種神髓同埋你想表達嘅一啲嘢。咁啊，最終咧亦都咧講到咧阿 May 咧，其實咧即係一開始嘅時候咧，都係一路跟住咧 Mr. Osama 咧去學習埃及舞。咁但係慢慢咧，佢越學越多嘅時候咧，佢亦都喺唔同嘅地方咧，可以攞到咧埃及舞嘅精髓，亦都學到好多唔同嘅一啲知識啊，同埋技巧。再經過咧就係佢對香港同埋埃及兩個地方嘅認識咧，慢慢將佢融合，同埋挑選咧最啱香港朋友學習同埋最想學習嘅嘢，所以咧就可以咧好好咁樣咧係做到呢個兩地文化交流之餘咧，亦都將埃及呢一個傳統文化咧帶到嚟香港，亦都好成功咧就可以咧令到大家咧好接受呢一種文化。講到呢一種文化咧，除咗我哋香港嘅朋友好接受之外咧，我知道今次嘅活動咧，聯合國教科文組織咧都非常之支持。可唔可以講下成個過程同埋佢哋點樣支持呢個活動咧嚇？
好啊，咁咧又係好榮幸啦，其實得到呢一個聯合國教科文組織嘅支持。咁點解會咁好彩咧？咁其實就唔係好彩啊。頭先咧，Osama就會講到你對呢一樣嘢一定要有熱愛。咁我當然好熱愛舞蹈啦，咁仲要好熱愛佢哋嘅埃及人嘅民族色彩。咁希望帶嚟呢個香港，咁香港有中西文化，咁如果亦都能夠加上埃及文化咧，就更好啦。咁呢個就係我哋開頭最主要 Start Nefertiti 嘅原因。咁過去咁多年嘅努力咧，就分享到原來有我唔知點解佢哋會揾我呢個要講。咁聯合國組織咧就即係接觸到我哋啦，咁知道咁我亦都解釋咗我哋做緊嘅乜嘢。咁其實原來我做緊嘅嘢咧，同佢哋方向係一樣嘅，好一致，係啦，好一致。咁係都經過舞蹈咧，係個 Dance Council 嘅國際舞蹈總會裏邊咧委員會，國際舞蹈委員會。咁咧就個佢哋嘅主旨亦都係分享舞蹈，舞蹈係一個好公平嘅平台，無論每一個舞蹈嘅種類咧都係即係受尊敬嘅，咁亦都係經過舞蹈咧去認識唔同國家嘅文化。咁因為呢個原因咧，我哋就得到佢哋嘅支持啦。咁所以今年咧，我哋嘅所有活動咧，嚟參與我哋嘅朋友咧，都能夠成為咗呢個聯合國教科文組織嘅成員。
係咁啊！大家咧到時咧，即係除咗係嚟睇表演之外咧，亦都可以咧多咗一個身份啦，亦都多咗一個，我覺得都幾值得紀念嘅一個時刻。
同埋係一個好對我嚟講一個好好嘅認同。即係我好希望，因為我開始嘅時候都係我哋好細啊，幾個人一齊去做呢件事。咁我哋有時行嘅方向都要成日都要 check 下有冇行錯路啊。咁到今時今日能夠得到呢個認同，我覺得係一個好大嘅強心針。
係11月20號開始啊，一連4日咧喺故宮文化博物館第8屆香港國際埃及舞蹈節咧就會舉行噶啦。想睇多啲資料嘅話咧，可以去翻阿 May 嘅網站 dancenefertiti.com 咧就會攞到噶啦。今日再一次咧多謝 Mr. Osama， 亦都多謝阿 May， 多謝晒。